Welcome to the Year 3 strategy for multiplication. In this lesson I'm learning to use repeated addition to solve multiplication problems. Let's start with this question. Let's imagine I've got 6 groups of counters. And inside each of those 6 groups, or all of those 6 groups, there are 4 counters in each group. We can also write that as 6 times 4, or 6 groups of 4. So let's start by drawing a wee picture which shows what that looks like. Well, I need 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's my 6 groups, and I need to put 4 counters inside each one. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. Now we're trying to work out how many counters there are in total. So I need to add up all of these groups. So let's take these counters outside of their groups and we'll put some addition signs in between them. And now I'm going to use my repeated addition to help me jump up in 4s. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus another 4 is 12, plus another 4 is 16, plus another 4 is 20, plus one more 4 is 24. So 6 groups of 4 is 24, or 6 times 4 is 24. Let's try another question. This time I'm going to imagine I've got 8 groups of counters. 8 groups. And inside each of those groups, or all of those groups, there are 3 counters. I can also write that as 8 times 3, or 8 groups of 3. So let's start by drawing a picture which shows what that looks like. Well, I need 8 groups, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's because there are 8 groups. And inside all of those groups there are 3 counters. So I need to put 3 counters in every group. Now remember, we're trying to use repeated addition to help us answer these questions, so we need to imagine taking these 3 counters out of those groups and putting some addition signs in between them. So it will end up looking like this. So now to solve this question, I'm going to be skip counting up in 3s. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12, plus another 3 is 15, plus another 3 is 18, plus another 3 is 21, plus another 3 is 24. So 8 groups of 3 is 24, or 8 times 3 is 24. Let's have a think about the important things to remember from this lesson. Well, this number here tells me how many groups there are, and this number here tells me how many are in each group. And then you can see from down here, I'm using repeated addition to work out how many there are in total. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Multiplication and Division book from the White Book collection.